Hello guys, today I'm here to give you a review about Realme, one of the most uh, important phone, flagship phone you can say, one of the biggest jump on the flagship category with the introduction of periscopic lens. Yeah, that is Realme X3 Super Zoom and most underrated phone of the last year, I would say. Yes, it comes with Snapdragon 855 Plus chipsets, which was one of the top performing chipset of the last 2020, you can say. So I've been using this particular device from last 3-4 months. When I use the device at least to for more than few months to give you a feedback or reviews about it. So I've been using this particular device. This is a phone, yeah, for almost 3-4 months, and I'm using this as my primary phone. And I will tell you about the how it all the features works and in the real life. Okay, I'll show you the box, how this box looks like. Looks almost on yellow color it has come. So it has a name of Realme X3. Backside there's the features: Snapdragon 815 Plus, which is Hyper Boost, 120 Hz ultra smooth display, 68 megapixel camera with 60x super zoom, and front dual camera, 32 megapixel and 90 megapixel dual selfie camera. So a lot of features in it. Let's see how it works and what is my real world performance expectation versus performance it is. And this is the cable charge they have given. This is 30-watt charger, premium build, and cable also very premium, very thick, very strong, and the charging speed insane, I can say. Now they have got with 65-watt charger, which takes about 30 minutes to charge. This will take less than 1 hour to charge the entire battery. This is comes with 4200 ampere of battery. So this is the phone all about. This case also has come with this. Case is very nice, very handy, and very smooth and strong, and it protect the phones. It protect the phones. This case I like, very much impressive. This definitely would cost more than 200 rupees. So this is the phone back design. I took the white one, and the looks of this particular white color is very nice, pretty smooth finishing, and there's a big camera bump. So you will have a difficulties without the case. Yes, once you wear this case, it will completely properly fit into them, so that your camera bumps will not create a problem when you put it on a table. See, if you put it on a table, it will it will just not properly sitting on the table. So one sided it will not fit. So you need to use it with this. So yes, when you are holding the phone without case, it looks much better, much premium and delicate one. Yes. Okay, so in the phone, this is a complete full review of about the phone, and I have also done one more review about the cameras, because it's a purely a camera centric phones. So I have done up one dedicated reviews about the cameras, all the different modes, features available in the cameras. I have given a sample photographs and videos, so you guys can check it out that also. So here I'll talk more about the overall features and how with the performance of it. Okay. So in the down you got a bottom firing speaker grill, then you have got a type C charging cable port, and then there's a mic, and there's a SIM tray. So interestingly, this SIM tray is on the down bottom. All the other phone used to have on this side, on the left hand side. Now this one has come with the bottom, and it is two SIM card, but without any expandable storage. Yeah, that's why they are able to fit it here. And then on the left hand side you will get the volume up down options. There are nothing else other than that. On top there's one more mic, and on the left hand side you got a fingerprint sensor come power button. Yeah, it has been given on the power button also. So you can touch like this, it just get reopened. I'll show you how fast it works. Yeah, I have to just touch on it, so it will work. Let me show you. Yes, 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 sometimes it get missed. Yeah, this particular we are not familiar with power button fingerprints. We are always familiar with the backside fingerprint, which works much faster than this. But yes, once you are accustomed with that, with this side fingerprint, you will be also able to open this particular device a little faster, and your face will work very fast. This I'll show you how the face touch, it works very fast. The face unlock is works very fast. Okay, so it has one single speaker, so you won't get that stereo feel quality, stereo speaker wala quality, that is not there. In terms of real life performance, 855 plus and with a hyper boost, it works smooth, blazing fast, and with 120 hertz, with 120 hertz enable, you are going to get the real amazing experience. Yeah, it's very smooth experience. You will see that everything is just smoothly running on. Yeah, I don't play too much games, but I'm just trying it out, some of the games, small games, and which there's no problem, no hang, no issues are there. But in terms of RAM management, I would say this is having 8 GB variant, 8 GB on 100 variant, but I can see still 2 GB is still available. Yeah, when I have some of the apps open, if I remove all the apps also, it gives me a 3 GB of space. Yeah, out of 120 GB, it gives you 100 GB of space. And some memory optimization issues is there, so Realme has to upgrade that. Yeah, Realme is you. If I talk about the UI, you will get all the custom UI available across the globe. They have taken all the features and they have captured inbuilt and inbuilt. So you'll get every single options available with the UI. Yeah, they have inbuilt into that. So all the customization option is available. You can do that. Yeah. So that's important part. Yes, but the Realme is nowadays building up their own apps. Yeah, so many apps are building and they're putting onto it. But here we can uninstall some of the apps, some install inbuilt. You cannot do that. Some of our very handy to apps are also there, so I have been keeping those. And rest all is good. Yes, let me talk about the cameras. Although I have given out dedicated reviews about it, cameras is decent, very good, but certain function I was expecting it should have been given, being a camera centric phone. When when we would like to do this using this periscopic lens, there should be an HDR mode option should be there. It is not that practically not given. They have not given. Camera quality is very decent, very good. I can show you some of the sample photos which I have taken, and so that gives you an understanding how it was. And in the daylight condition, so it's supremely bright pictures you get it. Yeah, and night, yeah, it's not that sharp pictures, but yeah, it's a decent quality pictures you get in night also. There's a dedicated 64 megapixel mode which helps you to zoom and crop the particular picture. Yeah, which will help you out. So yes, the main features which Realme is highlighting about is about 60x zoom. Yes, 60x zoom is there, but out of that 5x is your optical, 10x is your hyper zoom. Yeah, and then up to 20x you will get some clarity. After that, it's very difficult to hold on to a particular image with a sharper and crystal clarity. Yes, if you use a tripod, then you can definitely get some better clarity up to 40-50x. Yeah, up to 60x also, to some extent you can get a good clarity. I tried shooting on those on that zoom with the tripod. Yes, I got some clarity pictures in the dark night also. I tried shooting stars. I have been even able to reach out to the near to the stars, which is not possible earlier before introduction of this periscopic lens. Yeah, and I would say yes, this helps me because my intentions are not to buy a DSLR with big lens and carry it when I am traveling. So I was always looking out for a phone which can give me that options. And then now why I think I introduced this particular periscopic lens, then all the other mobile phone makers have started doing the putting that particular lens into their mobile devices. So I was looking out for a particular smartphone which is very much camera centric. Then I found this one, although it has certain loopholes like your pro modes are not that strong. You will don't like the pro modes in Realme. The pro modes cameras are much better in other phones, like you will get in Samsung, you will get it on Asus, you will get it on OnePlus, is much better than this. Yeah, so those are customized options. I have actually written to them to give them more flexibility on the pro mode, so which is, let's see if they develop that one in the next future updates. Yeah, Realme also giving us monthly updates on time. That's a very important and a very good thing about the Realme, what they are doing it. Although they are releasing every other month one particular mobile devices, so which is a cause of concern. You never know when they will stop giving supports. Yeah, but yes, business of this particular company is growing up, so you can definitely purchase the product of this device for next at least up to 3 4 years. Definitely they will give a support for your devices. Okay, so I'll also show you how the sound quality of this particular devices. Let me play a track so that you'll get understanding. Yes, although it's not too loud, but yes, it's a decent sound quality. This is the sound of the loudspeaker. Most importantly, it has a Dolby Atmos codec, so that when you connect your earphones, good quality earphone which has AAC capabilities, yes, you will immerse with the sound. Yes, that's the very important thing, that you got a Dolby Atmos on this. So any music, any videos, if you're watching on your earphones, you'll definitely going to get a better experience. Yes, and in terms of network receptions and all, everything is all as per good one only. So I've been using a Vodafone on this particular device, so the receptions is very good. Few important features about Wi-Fi connectivity: it has a dual band network Wi-Fi, and with you can say, you can connect your, you can tether your, you can use your hotspot plus you can use your Wi-Fi at a time, same time. You can be connected with a particular Wi-Fi device, and you can share your uh, internet from this device to others. So these are the options which are not available, and even you can connect the dual Wi-Fi if it is available, and you can boost your network internet speed. Those options are there in this particular device. Very interesting things I like about it. Yeah, and okay, display. If I have to talk about display is it's a IPS display. I have no complaints about the display. It's a very good display, and it's very fast, snappy, and color reproduction is very good. Yes, certain AMOLED, high-end AMOLED, like dynamic AMOLEDs are much better than this, but normal AMOLEDs, which is there in some other devices, even expensive than this, is all same, produce the same color. Yeah, yes, if you, very tiny difference will get it on the device display. And so you will not get any much complaints on the device. Yeah, I'll show you the high. What is the highest brightness? So this is the highest brightness you can see. Yeah, I have put it to highest brightness. This is the lowest brightness. Yeah, it's a visible, pretty visible on the daylight. You will not have any problem watching this. Yes. One most important thing was that they have not given the headphone jack options, which is quite disappointing for me. But yes, see, nowadays everybody is started using TWS, so I also have got TWS for this. I have got TWS from the Realme only, the AirBud Pro. I've been using it, and I was amazed with the sound quality, because that also have very good sound quality. Plus, this is having Dolby Atmos support, so you will get amazed with the sound quality. Yes, at Realme Link also there. Again, your Dolby Atmos, in the Dolby Atmos you'll get a lot of customization also. So you can customize your some music as well. Okay. So in terms of build quality, this is a very decent product. Although it's a plastic, but I would say this is much better than a glass. Yeah, glass. I have one more device which is glass on both the sides. I always fear to use it without protections, without any case. Yeah, if it falls, glass will break, and you will have to bear the losses. So that's all for today. If you like this video, that detailed review about this Realme X3 Super Zoom, please like and subscribe my channel, so I'll come with